Hi, my name is Joel, and I've been wondering, how old is the mansion?
So the age of the mansion, that's an interesting question. And there's no single answer to it because the house is built in stages over the course of the 18th century. So the earliest part was built for George Washington's father in 1734. So that makes it 284 years old. Now, when George Washington moved here for the first time, full-time, in the 1750s, he ends up raising the roof and he builds the second story. So that middle part, second story, that's built in 1758. And then right before the Revolution, he builds two wings to it, two additions. First, he builds the south addition here where the study and the Washington's bedroom are. And then finally in 1776, he builds the new room addition. So, and then during the last years of the 1770s, before he gets back from the Revolution, he builds the big piazza and he builds the cupola. So it's all sort of pieced together over time, but it's all approximately sometime between 1734 and 1787.